run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the beginning of my Ramadan series. I am starting off with Ramadan decoration. That is the only thing I have prepped as of right now. I do have my Suhoor meal ideas ready to go as well, but aside from that, I'm really not ready, but I want to start getting ready. So today we're going to decorate my room, and then I'm also making some Suhoor meal ideas. That is going to be in another video, but I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. I'll also be sharing with you guys all of my Ramadan clothing pieces that I got. All of these are from last year, but all of these brands still have a ton of abayas and like open dusters to choose from, so I'll link that down below as well. So I'll take you guys through the decoration. We can unbox it together. Okay, I was intentionally waiting a little bit for the sun to set so I can show you guys all the decor like lit up and super cute, but I think I waited a little too long because now the sun is like completely set and it's like getting really dark in my room, so I have the ring light on. But okay, so I'm going to explain to you guys what I have here. This box right here is decoration from last year, so I am reusing things that I already had. So I have a ton of decorations already, but then I also wanted to purchase a few new things to add to my collection. So I will try to link everything I can down below. So the first thing that I got, which I'm so excited about because it's so cute, is this gold lantern. It has a faux candle inside, so you don't have to worry about things getting on fire, especially if you have kids. So it's battery operated. So I got one of these, and I actually already have two from last year, so I'm gonna grab it real quick. Okay, these are the two that I had from last year. So this is the same size as that one, and then I also have a big one. I wanted kind of like this type of look, where it's like a small one and a big one. I thought that was cute, so I got that. So I'm thinking I'm going to decorate that little corner right there and make it my prayer corner. I did this for the last 2 years, and I swear it makes such a big difference in my productivity. I find myself like wanting to go in my little like safe space and like read Quran and just like read lectures, because usually like I do things on my bed, or I'll go out in like the living room. Either I get like tied up with talking to like family, or on my bed I get so lazy. So this is a good way if you guys want to stay productive, and it also looks super cute in the room. So yeah, I'm gonna have those two things, and then to accompany that, I got some fairy lights that I'm gonna put inside both of these and that one. So the little twinkle lights. This is actually from Amazon. I did buy some from at home, but they were so expensive. It was $17.99 for 2 boxes. But then I found a pack of 12 on Amazon for I think like $9 or $8. So I'm gonna return these, and then I also got from at home some star lights, and you can actually find these on Amazon too, so I'll link the Amazon ones down below. But they're just like long star lights. I don't plan on like hanging it from top to bottom, but I'll just kind of like spread it out somewhere. So I got those, and then on Amazon I got these little lantern. They're not lantern. What are they called? What are these called? Ornament lights, and they're so cute. I had these last year. They're probably somewhere in this box, but unfortunately like they stopped working. There's literally one. Yeah, they broke apart and they stopped working, so I had to buy a new one. So anyways, I got these off of Amazon. They're a lot smaller. I was expecting them to be bigger, like this size, but it's okay. So I got those lights, and then what else did I get? I also got these lights from at home. They're more like outdoorsy type of lights, so I'm going to actually return these because I didn't think these were going to come in on time. So this is going back, and so are these. The other thing I got from at home was another lantern vase. I feel like this is just like my entire theme. I just want my room to like have like a really romantic, intimate like ambiance. I don't know, I find it very comforting, and it just makes me feel good. So I want that for Ramadan. So I'm thinking this one I'm going to put either on my dresser behind you guys or up there, just to like spruce up the decoration all throughout my room and not just focus it on one little corner. So I got that. So I think that's all I bought from at home. So I didn't do too bad. And then from last year from at home, I already have these cute little Moroccan inspired like motifs. We actually used this like 2 years ago at like a Ramadan iftar party at my sister's house, and we had it as like a centerpiece on all the tables, and it was so cute. But I don't think we're doing a party again this year, so I'm gonna just like have these like somewhere on my dresser or like back there somewhere. So I have these, and I have a couple of them. I think I have like 4 or 5. Here's another one. So I have that. And then I have these garlands because I do want to add a little bit of greenery, because I feel like olive branch trees are very like, I don't know, I feel like they're Islamic. I probably sound so stupid right now, but yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of greenery. So I have these garlands from Hobby Lobby from last year. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to use from this box. Oh, I also have this moon. I actually got this from At Homes, and they still do have it in stock, because I saw it when I went to the store. So I will link this down below. I thought this was super cute. I'm gonna have like a little side table with my Quran, a little like candle, and I'll probably put this. Lastly, this is really exciting. I got a package from With a Spin. I actually asked you guys on Instagram to send me over a ton of like Etsy or Muslim owned shops that I can shop at for Ramadan decoration. But truthfully, like none of it was really my style, and I didn't want to like accept things and like not use it. So I am reusing a ton of stuff. And then With a Spin was so kind to reach out and ask if I wanted anything, and I said yeah, because they had some really cute stuff. So I'm gonna open this if I can find some scissors. I also zoomed in on the lens so you guys can see a little bit better. Okay, so we shall unbox this together. This literally arrived, like, no joke, like an hour ago. And I was so worried. I was like, oh no, is it going to come on time for my decoration video? And it did. So exciting. The first thing I got, she had like a couple inspirations on her page. And I asked her, like, what's the most popular? What do you think is, like, the cutest? And she sent me one of the pictures she had on her Instagram page. And she said, this is our most popular, like, combination. So I was like, I'll take that. I'll take that one. So. How cute. It's like a little Ramadan decal, I guess. Like, you just, like, place it on, like, an entry table or a console. So cute. I love it. Okay, so we got that. That's everything. And then also coffee. I think I have 2 more things, or maybe 1. I don't remember. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so this is like another, just like a decoration piece. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. It's so pretty. I love it. Okay, so I got this. Can I put this on the floor? Because it has like, I guess, Quran on it. I don't know. Put that there. And I think that's the only thing. Okay, I think those are the only 2 things. That's so pretty. Okay, thank you. With a Spin, now I can start decorating. I almost forgot. I have 2 prayer rugs that I want to add in that corner, but it wasn't in this box. Let me call my mom and see if she knows where it is. So this is how it turned out. I think it looks so cute. I ended up adding the star lights at the very end because I felt like it needed a little bit more sparkle. So yeah, oh my god, everything turned out so cute. I love it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is how the decor turned out on my vanity. I think it looks so cute. So I have this pillar in the back. I feel like that's like the main attraction. Then I have the Ramadan decal, and then I have the little moon. I think the moon looks so cute, but I can't decide between wanting the moon there or so it's either that moon or this lantern. I don't have any candles, so I filled it up with little fairy lights for now just to see what it would look like. So that would be the other option. You guys let me know, but I think it turned out so stinking cute. Okay, so I pulled out all of my abayas that I have. I actually got a ton at the end of last year that I never got to wear, so I'm super excited that I get to wear them this year, and I'm going to share with you guys all of the ones that I have, and then hopefully link the shops down below if you guys want to shop. So I'm going to start off with this one. It's a plain white abaya. I love abayas that are like the open duster kimono style because then you can like practically wear it. I feel like I can wear whatever I want underneath, throw this on top and still get the coverage that I want and then be able to pray. So I have this white beautiful one from, this one's actually from a local shop. So I don't think I can link this one, but I'm sure there's a ton online that you can find. And it came with a scarf and it comes with a belt so you can like belt it around. I also love abayas with like the big sleeves. I think it's so pretty. So I have this white one that I love. Okay, this next thing, I feel like a lot of you guys will find this useful, is a slip that you can pair under any of your open front abayas. So the great thing is like you don't have to wear a top and a bottom. You throw the slip on. It's a long slip with long sleeves, and then you can wear any color abaya on top. This is such a good staple to have. So I got this from a brand called Zedina. I remember though, last year when I ordered this, they took forever to ship this over. So if you're wanting this, definitely buy it early. And then I also got the wrong size. So I got size 56 and this is way too big. So I don't know, read their chart on their website. It also has slits on the side, which I really appreciate because when things are like closed all the way down, like you kind of have to walk like a penguin. But this has slits on the side, so it's so nice to wear under abayas. Okay, another open front abaya I have is this gorgeous cream color one with lace sleeves and a little bit of pearl detail. This is actually from an online website and the girl is local, so the founder is here in Houston, but I think she closed her shop. So I will link it if I can. The store name was Lavish, and I do think she closed it. So I'll try to find something similar and link it for you guys. But another beautiful abaya. This one also has the lace at the bottom, which is just stunning on. Another one that I really love and I got towards the end of last year, so I didn't really get to enjoy it fully, is from Demure Hijabs. This is more of a like tiered abaya. So it has like these sleeves that are tiered. This is much thicker and heavier than the other ones, so definitely better quality. It's opaque and it's double lined and it's gorgeous. It's like this beautiful mauve lavender. It's like a dusty mauve color, so I love it. Open abaya. And then I have another, this is another one from Demure. This is more of a like relaxed fabric. It has a zip in the back, so it's super easy to put on and off. This is not open front, so I feel like these are not as convenient because like if you're a breastfeeding mom or like you're just running to the mosque after like work or something, you can't just like throw something on. You have to like put it through your head, but it's still beautiful. And this comes with a belt, so you can like tie it around your waist, and it has like the big sleeves that I love. So this is really, really pretty. You guys want to check that out. And then lastly, this is actually like not a abaya. I don't know. This is from a shop called Podur, and they make beautiful like abaya inspired dresses. I feel like all of their dresses can pass for an abaya, so I just pulled it out because I felt like it went with my color scheme. And then I also pulled it out because this is the only one with embellishments, so like if you have a party to go to, this would be really pretty to wear. This one also comes with the belt, so you can like tie it here on this side, and it's gorgeous on. This is just a couple that I pulled out that I feel like I'll get use out of this Ramadan. Here's a little sneak peek of what I made for my Suhoor meal idea video. Make sure you watch it because there are some really good make ahead ideas in here, and all the recipes and everything and nutrition facts and everything will be listed down below. My dad's doing the azan, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek. Here's the behind the scenes. I have not cleaned up yet. I also dropped a ton of stuff on the floor. Okay, my dad's about to try one. You don't have to smile. You can eat it.
Huh?
You can eat it. No, go ahead and eat it. I want to see what you think about it.
It's nice, but I need a little bit more groovy.
Groovy? I think it's a little dry, so I think I'm going to say in the recipe to add more peanut butter and a little bit of coconut oil to make it a little bit more chewy. Last few things I wanted to chat about before I end this vlog. Ramadan playlist 2022. Let's make this happen. I'm not a big music person. I never listen to music. If you see like music in the back of my reels or TikToks, it's just literally for aesthetics. I don't like jam to music in the car. But with that being said, in Ramadan, I just like wanted like some nasheeds to listen to. I do listen to a lot of Quran in Ramadan, but I just like wanted a little uplifting beat. And you guys recommended so many great Nahheed Artists, so I screenshotted a ton. I've been listening to what's his name? Siedd? I don't know how to pronounce it. Siedd. Yeah, I think his name is Siedd. And I've been listening to his song Back to You, and oh my god, it is so good. If you guys are looking for some Ramadan nasheeds, I will make a playlist and link it down below. Well, actually, I'm not going to make a playlist because I don't know if some of these artists use like instruments in the background, and I'm not trying to get sent for that because some of the people that some of the artists that others recommended, when I went and listened to some of their music, it did have like instruments in the back. So I don't know how much of these are like truly 100% vocals only. But okay, the list that I got: Maher Zain, which I actually have heard of him and listened to a few of his songs before, but he has a ton of instruments in the back. So he's one. Siedd, the guy that I just mentioned, he's amazing. Sefe Adam, he's good too, and Khaled Siddiqui. So many good ones. Oh wait, and the last one is Ilyas Mao. I hope I'm I'm like butchering these names, but I will list the names down below, and they have some really good nasheeds, and I'm vibing. My next video will be my suhoor meal idea video, and then after that might be my iftar meal idea video. But yeah, and then in Ramadan, I'll take you guys along with me on a couple days of fasting. I'm a little nervous because I am working full time, but I'll do a day in my life while I'm fasting and a couple other really fun videos that are coming up. So make sure you subscribe so you can see the rest of my Ramadan series, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!